Hey, we're going out to the garage. It's this way. Come on, follow me. Hey, Mark Greene here from Cars Yeah for Covercraft. Today I'm doing a little shopping on the Covercraft website. I thought I'd buy my wife something. She's been mentioning something that's been a little bit of a problem for her, and that is the reflection off of her dash as she drives as we get into a sunnier season here. So I'm going to order her a dash mat. Don't let her know. Watch. So I'm on the Covercraft website, which is an awesome website, provides all sorts of great things that they offer here. If I go to the shop up here and I go to interior protection, I'll see dash mats. All right, so here we are. So I've got a selection of carpet dash mats, suede mat dash covers, kind of like that one, limited edition dash mats, and Carhartt, which is pretty cool as well. But I think for Jill's car, we're going to go with the suede mat. And the reason is her car has a light gray interior, but it has a black dash that can be reflective sometimes if there's a lot of sun. So I thought maybe getting her a dash mat that is the suede type finish, it'll look really nice. Goes along with the inside of her car. And so when I click on shop now, it takes me to some options here. So suede mat dash, custom dash mat cover, it's really reasonably priced, and I've got 4 color options. So I think I'll go with gray to match the inside of her vehicle. So once I've done that, I select that option. I can go in, I've been here before, so her car is already loaded, has the year, the make, the model, even a submodel selection to make sure they get the right fit, which is what Covercraft is known for, right? So I click on continue, and there's some cool customization options. So I can go with embroidery, or they've got all sorts of logos and things I can scroll through, different things that you can choose from, all sorts of different options. But Jill kind of likes things simple, so I think I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on the embroidery, and I'm going to go with block face. And I think what I'll do is remind her to listen to her husband, Cars Yeah. So Cars Yeah, put that in, add monogram, boom, it's all selected and ready to go. Now I just need to go and add it to my cart, and voila, we've got a new dash mat on its way. Now, while we're waiting for that, should arrive in about a week or so, I'm going to take you out to the garage and show you a dash mat I have for one of my cars that's pretty cool. So let's go out to the garage, all right? Okay, I'm out here in the garage, and I'm going to show you a dash mat that I got from Covercraft for my older Porsche here. So when I go places, it stays put, doesn't go anywhere, which is pretty cool. You can see it's got a neat finish, fits really nice. Protects the dash from the sun and any kind of damage. So if I got a car show where I don't maybe want to put the sunscreen in it and just have the dash mat to protect it, that's what I do. Order yours at covercraft.com. And always remember, Covercraft, protecting the things that move you. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll keep bringing these videos to you. Thanks.